Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to discuss L&T Technology Services Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss consolidated year on year and quarter on quarter results. We'll give more importance for year on year results. Here amount in millions. So first one is revenue from operations. So previous year 294 crores. This year 1518 crores. It was increased from 1294 crores to 1518 crores, means approximately 210 crores was increased. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. Here 17.2 percentage year on year increase. Later other income. Other income was increased from 13 crores to 44 crores. Here 30 crores was increased. Later expenses. So here employee benefit expenses. It was increased from 833 crores to 875 crores. Here only 40 crores was increased. Later depreciation. Previous year 49 crores, this year 55 crores. We'll note this one. Other expenses. Previous year 255 crores, this year 324 crores. Here approximately 70 crores was increased. Later finance cost. Previous year 10.7 crores, this year 10.8 crores. Here interest was same. Here we are paying very less interest. That means they have very low debt or zero debt. That is positive side. Later, profit from ordinary activities before tax. Previous year 159 crores, this year 295 crores. Here approximately 150 crores was increased. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. Here profit before tax 85% increase. This is positive side. Later tax expense. Previous year 41 crores, this year 78 crores. Later net profit. Previous year 118 crores, this year 217 crores. That means here 100 crores was increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 83.9% profit after tax increase year on year. Later paid up equity share capital. Previous year 20.9 crores, this year 21.0 crores. Here only little bit increase. Later earning per share basic. Previous year 11.22 rupees, this year 20.57 rupees. So here approximately 90% earning per share was increased. This is positive side. Now check quarter on quarter. Revenue from operations increased from 1440 crores to 1518 crores. Later, profit from ordinary activities increased from 261 crores to 295 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue was increased 5.4% quarter on quarter. Profit before tax increased 13.2% quarter on quarter. Later net profit increased from 195 crores to 217 crores. Here profit after tax quarter on quarter increased 11.1%. What we observed based on year and quarter on quarter results. So L&T Technology Services year on year results are very good and quarter on quarter results are good. Now check few more points. Go down. Here we have investor presentation. So we'll check this point. During this quarter, LTTS won 6 deals with TCO of USD 10 million plus, which includes 2 USD 25 million plus deals. This is positive side. Revenues from digital and leading edge technologies stood at 54% during the quarter. This is positive point. Here, the deal pipeline is healthy across segments and we expect broad-based growth to continue. This is positive point. Our innovation engine is matching the pace of our growth as we filed a record of 23 patents in quarter 1. This is positive point. Here to further scale and strengthen our technology and capability advantage, we have identified 6 strategic investment areas. One is electric autonomous, connected vehicle, 5G, medtech, digital manufacturing, AI and ML driven smart offerings and sustainability. The focus will be innovation and solution building in these new age areas that will position us as the partner of choice for customers in their next generation product development cycle. This is positive point. Go down, go down. So here revenue by vertical. So they have business in different verticals. One is transportation, industrial products, telecom high tech, plant engineering, medical devices. So first one is transportation. Previous year 31.5%, this year 31.2%. Industrial products, previous year 19.4%, this year 19.5%. Telecom and High-Tech, previous year 22.4%, this year 22%. Plant engineering 13.8%, this year 15.5%. Medical devices, previous year 12.8%, this year 11.7%. If we observe this one, so transportation, that is 31.2%, industrial products 19.5%, telecom and high-tech 22%. These three segments are key segments for LTTS. Later, revenue by geography. Here North America 62.3%, Europe 16%, India 12.9%, rest of the world 8%. Here 62.3% getting from North America. That means if the rupee will be fluctuated with dollar, then profits may affected. Later, here revenue mix, on-site 41.9%, offshore 58.1%. Later, revenue by project type, here fixed price. Fixed price is 33.8%, time and material contract is 66.2%. Here client profile, number of active clients. Previous year 270 clients, this year 305 clients. Here approximately 35 clients was increased. This is positive sign. They don't have $30 million plus clients. The previous year one client is there, so this year they lose that client. 20 million plus dollar. So here 5 clients, $10 million plus 20 clients, 5 million 43 clients, 1 million 122 clients. Later here utilization including trainees. So previous year utilization is 70.9%, this year 79.2%. Here approximately 9% was increased. This is positive side. Later employee statistics. Total head count. Previous year 16,641. This quarter 16,972. Here approximately 400 employee count was increased. Here they increased very less employee count. Due to that one, employee expenses are less. Due to low employee expenses, so profits was increased. Here billable. Previous year 15,481. This year 15,896. Sales and support. Previous year 1160. This year 1,076. Voluntary attrition. Previous year 11.4%. This year 14.5%. Here attrition rate increase. Now we'll check valuation. So before results, price of LTTS is 2,915 on 14th July. So PE before result is 46. PE after results is 40. Now we'll check current price. Current price is 3,305. Before results, price is 2,915. Due to excellent results, price of LTTS was increased from 2,915 to 3,305, that is 13.56%. After results, here P is 40, but due to excellent results, price was increased from 2,915 to 3,309. Due to that one, PE was increased from 40 to 45.6. Currently, PE of L&T Technology Services is 45.6% due to this price hike. What you understood based on this one? So here PE before results is 46. After results, price was increased. Due to that reason, here PE was 46. So currently L&T Technology Services is overvalued based on current PE. We'll check one more point. So here 3 years median PE is 23.2. So after results, price was increased. Due to that reason, so PE also increased to 46. So if we compare current PE with 3 years median PE, here this is very high. So 3 years median PE is 23.2 and current PE is 46. So due to this PE, so currently L&T Technology Services is overvalued. So conclusion is excellent year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results, zero debt, overvalued based on 3 years median PE, that is 3 years median PE is 23, current PE is 46. So currently L&T Technology Services is overvalued. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.